In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive your payout from Whop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your earnings from your Whop account to your bank or preferred payout method quickly and confidently. First, open Whop on the web or in the app and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the official site and using a secure connection. Once you're in, head to your dashboard. From there, look for the Finance section. This is where you'll manage balances, payouts, and payment settings. If you haven't set up a payout method yet, you'll be prompted to add one. Choose your bank account or any available payout option in your region. You may be asked to complete verification. This can include confirming your identity or submitting required details. Take your time here and make sure the name and account information match your banking records exactly to avoid delays. If you prefer to access Whop in your browser or via the mobile app, I've placed the website link and the app download link right at the top of the description to make this even easier. Next, check your available balance. This is the amount that's ready to withdraw right now. Keep in mind, recent sales may appear as pending until they clear. If your balance looks lower than expected, it's usually because some funds are still processing or under a standard hold window. When you're ready, click Withdraw or Payout. You'll be taken to a simple form. Select the payout method you set up earlier, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can often choose a partial withdrawal or the full available balance. Before you confirm, double check the details and be mindful of any minimums, fees or currency conversion that might apply to your region or bank. When everything looks good, go ahead and confirm. Now, wait for processing. Payout times can vary depending on the method and your bank. You'll typically see a confirmation on Whop and may receive an email once the payout is initiated. It's normal for transfers to take a little time to appear in your bank, especially over weekends or holidays. Finally, the money will land in your account. You can verify the deposit on your bank statement and in the Finance section on Whop. If something doesn't look right, review your payout status in Finance and contact support if needed. That's it. You've successfully received your payout from Whop. Thanks for watching.